Hello bachon, let's see the question here. At 25 degrees Celsius, the solubility product of MgOH whole twice is 1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 11. At which pH will Mg plus 2 ions start precipitating in the form of MgOH whole twice from a solution of 0.001 molar Mg plus 2 ions? 8, 9, 10 and 11. So here we will start the solution और सबसे पहले हम start करेंगे key concept से इस केस में. So here we have MgOH whole twice. So this will give product as Mg plus 2 OH minus moles of MgOH whole twice. This will be equal to moles of Mg plus 2. Because as we can see here, according to coefficients here, we can say that moles of MgOH whole twice is equal to moles of Mg plus 2. For this case, solubility product, that is Ksp की value given है हमारे पास. So this is equal to concentration of Mg plus 2 multiplied by concentration of OH minus whole square. Ksp की वैल्यू क्या गिवन है 1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 11. This is equal to, so here Mg plus 2 की concentration कितनी है 0.001 and multiplied by, here we have concentration of OH minus whole square. So here when we solve this, OH minus की जो concentration होगी that will be equal to 10 raised to power minus 4 molar. तो जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि H प्लस की कंसंट्रेशन ये किसके इक्वल होती है, दिस इज इक्वल टू 10 raised to power minus 14 डिवाइडेड बाय कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ OH माइनस, दैट मींस दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 10 raised to power minus 10 molar. Okay, and from this we can find out the value of pH in this case, because pH is equal to negative log of concentration of H plus ion. So this will be equal to negative log of concentration of H plus. This is 10 raised to power minus 10. Hence, pH for this case, this will be equal to 10. So if you see here the option C is correct here. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.